I got these pots and pans right here because I have a lot of pans and pots that just don't match, and I don't have any matching lids or anything. So when cooking, it's a little bit harder, and a lot of my pans are old and it's just time for an upgrade. So I got all these pans right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Alrighty, now that I have it opened up, I'm gonna take everything out and just show y'all. Alrighty, now that I have everything boxed up, I'm even more excited. So the first one we have is this big pot. This is going to be for maybe mashed potatoes, soup, pot roast, whatever you want. And they are all stainless steel, and they all have this super nice gritty material in the inside, which is going to make it non-stick. And it has this nice little diamond in the middle. This is the bottom, super reflective. I can see myself. And then the next one is going to be more of a, let's say, beef tips, rice and gravy cook, and I really like this. I don't have any pots like this, so this is super exciting. Set that right there. The next one is going to be a little smaller pot, so I'm going to use this for maybe some gravy or maybe some soup, ramen noodles, whatever. I really like this. Again, it has that same material as the last two. And then a little more of a frying pan, a small version. This one is probably going to be for eggs or bacon, whatever. But this, I don't have any pots that are just flat like this. So you can see it has like that little flatness right there. Again, same material. And then we have this little bit more of a bigger one, just like that one. This one, I cook a lot of breakfast sausage in the morning. So this one will be perfect for that. And it's, again, you hear that? That's how you know it's a good pot, when it's making sound like that. And then finally, we just have a smaller pot. So I can use this one to make tea. I love making tea, so this pot will be great for that. Or maybe making some rice, whatever. But these are all stainless steel pots, which I really like. And then I have matching lids for all of them, which is my favorite part because none of my pots and pans lids match to any of them. So I'm finally excited that I have some lids to match everything. Now, as you can see, they go on just like that. So if you're looking for a nice stainless steel pot and pan set, this definitely is a good choice. I really like these, and I'm super excited to cook dinner tonight with them. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.